Hey guys, hello. We're gonna be trying this sun chips and their garden salsa flavor. Did you try it with us? Get out of here. I want chicken steak. Smell? Everyone get one, and then we're all gonna try at the same time. Okay, ready? Show them. Show your face one time. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's really good. What do you guys rate it 1 out of 10? But I love this. 7. Hard. 7? What do you rate it 1 out of 10? Like 10 out of 10. What? I give it 10 out of 10.
Don't touch nothing, just watch cartoons.
I rated it an 8 out of 10.
Mama, change that here.
Really good. We got Sprite too.
Mama, change
We got
that.
Sprite. Oh, and tell them what this is. Hot Cheetos. Sour Patch. M&M's, and then we already ate this. What do you want? You want to try chip?
Zoe, look at the dog. Zoe, look at the dog.
Okay, so you guys, say hi.
Look at doggy.
So crisp. Crispy. Crispy. Crisp. Like crispy. Like. We'll look at that later. Okay. On that later. We're gonna devour this first. So good. Come here, video. Try that. This is Zoe. She's gonna try it.
Spicy.
No. It's just a little spicy. Try it though. If it's spicy, you can do it. It's not spicy for me. No, it's not
Zoe,
spicy.
look at them. Zoe, look at that. Look. Oh my
It's
God.
not spicy. Try it. You like it?
Not spicy.
Yeah. It's not spicy. It's yummy.
Zoe, look at it.
I thought it was gonna be spicy, but it's not spicy.
Look at the baby.
It's Sprite time. Yeah. What? Sprite time. Okay, wait. Can we make it like
Why
this?
is it doggy?
It's so fun. I guess I have the scoop of this. Is it gonna slip, do you think? Come scooch over. Because I can't fix it. Oh my god, it's so dark. Oh my god, why is it so dark? Okay. Yeah. I'll turn them on. Oh! Turn on.
Push me off.
These are good. Okay. Here, we have a little performance. I don't try those. We did it before, but
Mama, can you buy for you that?
we're gonna have this later. What?
Can you buy
Juicy
I'm gonna buy for you.
pizzeria. Okay, shall we open this?
What color you want?
Twix?
Guess what this is? I'm holding up. If you guys get this, comment down below.
There, see it's brighter. I made it brighter. Okay.
Comment down below if you know
Is
better.
it good? Yeah. Try one. Oh my god, it's all green and blue. Can I try? Oh my god, the green tastes like a salt. Okay, get one. That one's really good. Get one. Give me blue.
Oh, blue.
I'll get it. Okay. Really good. 1 out of 10. Go. You go first. 1 out of 10. I agree with you. What? I agree with you. What? 1 out of 10. Bobby. 1? Whatever you said. I said you go first. Stand up. Oh, stand up and back with Abba. 2 out of 20, I think. 1 out of 10. What do you rate it? 10 being the best. 2 out of 10. You don't like it? Just like on the back. People, you guys stand in the back. You like it? Just half it. Coming back. I'll show you where to stand. Stand right here. Go behind me. Go behind me. You see, you're in the middle now. crumbs. I'm gonna open these soon. The extreme hot. I'm gonna be these side. These are really good. They're not hot. Too spicy. You can try one. Too spicy. Really spicy. What? This? Here. Yeah. This is crumbs. Yes. Yes. Crumbs. We finished. Okay. Time to open the extreme hot. Okay.
But she got it watching me.
Camera. Pretend. Okay, put down. Roll it. We finished? Oh, it's so strong. These are extra hot. I have.
I'll try first.
No, we're gonna try at the same time.
It smells like Play-Doh.
Show them. Okay. Don't eat it yet. Show them first. I'm gonna give myself. I love spicy things, but like I haven't had spicy things in so long. 3, 2, 1. I love spicy. 3, 2, 1.
What's up?
Oh God.
I make you more continue.
Oh God. Oh, I need all of it. That.
Oh.
Easy. Quick.
Zoe, این چی میخواد؟ کیلویی، شیمانی با.
What do you want? What do you want?
اونو بده به کیلویی واسه بیاره.
What do you want?
No, hold on. What happened?
What cartoon? Oh God, that's hot.
چیه اون هاته؟ با چرا خریدی؟
Yeah.
ببینم.
He chose to buy it.
ببینم یکیشو.
I forgot how these tasted. Comment down below if you guys think that these are hot. Comment down below who you think is the hottest reaction.
Mama, change diaper?
No, because we're pranking my grandma.
Mama, you play?
Oh my God! It's so hot! Oh my God! Haha, pranked you. It's not spicy. We were pranking you. That's just so spicy. Oh my God, you gotta lay off that. Wait, but that, okay, finish that. Honestly, I kind of like it. Let's go. Try it. You're pulling the charger off a stop. Okay, so overall, I think it's good. Just a little bit of spice. Like, what are you eating? Not a little bit of spice, a lot of spice. It's like good though. It's like good spicy, but it's like extra spicy because it's extra hot. I have something you might want. Honestly, I think it's good
No, this is for the...
overall, but it's really spicy. If you like a spicy thing, this is really good for you. Yeah. It's not really good for you. I like spicy. This is just a whole other. I like Takis. I love spicy. I love Takis. I love spicy. Well, like me, I can paint a Takis. Takis are my top tip, you guys. Agree. Love Takis. Well, this is my first video. Yeah, we're at our grandma's house. We went to like a vending machine. Yeah, there's a vending machine in her apartment. Like on the lobby. Yeah, on the first floor, like, right, it's next to the mailbox. So the mailbox stuff is that way, and then you go like that way, and there's a door that you open it, and then it's like... Sprite is like 10 out of 10. What do you guys rate the Sprite? 10 out of 10. Is it that spicy for you? Where are you going? Well, me and Alva are going to be in the film because I don't know where he just went. One more. It's hot. Can't be bad, right? My tongue is even red. Oh, God. I have no more water.
That's
Guys, I didn't know it's to be that spicy.
Take it off. No.
Take it or leave it. Take it or leave it.
Take it or leave it.
If we have extras, we'll give you extras. Okay, go.
It's good. Another one. Give me some.
How sure that's what we're doing. We're measuring the spice.
Give me the rest. Give me the rest. And give me the rest.
Wait, all of it.
No, eat it. Give me the rest. You're just fixing that.
Come over here, come over here.
Yes,
No more.
some.
No more.
Hey.
Here, you want it on this?
There's nothing. No.
Okay,
Can
you
I
guys.
pour some of
Oh, we both have to give her some.
Okay, I love it.
We have to be
Thank you.
Now measure it up.
Here, you guys can finish this. I don't know. It's too hard.
You're gonna. I told you. It's literally done. This one's so tiny. Devoured into our bodies. That's our fourth bottle tonight.
One of these things actually tastes like wasabi. Because he said it tastes like wasabi. I want to try it.
Guys, come here, huddle up. I'm gonna do that.
It's getting
So,
really spicy.
there's another pack of spicy flavored M&Ms.
It's
So,
getting really spicy.
the green ones are wasabi. The red ones are
It's
sriracha.
getting really spicy. Oh my god, I ate a green one.
And
The blue ones?
The yellow ones are
Actually, I was
like a lemon spiciness. A lemon ginger spicy. So we're gonna try some first.
Ginger spicy. I
The
already
blue
tried the
ones-
wasabi.
The blue ones are blue talkies. Wasabi.
I already tried the wasabi. Can I have a blue one, please? I want to try the blue one. Oh my god, I already tried the
There
wasabi.
is no blue. And then the orange ones are habanero. This is sriracha.
I want a sriracha.
Okay. No, this one's like bloated.
Two yellows.
God, it's so hot.
Lemon spicy ginger.
Yeah, lemon spicy is really hot.
This is
But also sour.
sriracha.
No, this is like the orange one. I forgot what it's called. What's it called? Why does it look like a nut?
Because there is a nut inside. So a spicy nut.
Look at this.
Oh my god, guys, sriracha is
I
really
found the
spicy.
wasabi.
Sriracha is really spicy, but
Oh,
it's really
God,
good.
God, where's my cup? Where's my cup?
Okay,
You okay?
those are really good. They're really
You want
spicy.
a change?
No more. This is habanero flavored sour lemon patch. Yeah, they're really good.
What did I eat another wasabi?
Well, habanero on this one's really strong.
Okay.
I'm gonna take another.
We all gotta take one more hot Cheeto.
Chloe, take another hot Cheeto.
Habanero with hot Cheeto.
Spicy King, Spicy King, Spicy Prince.
Yes, yes.
Pins? These are pins?
Ha- habanero spicy chip.
Oh, by the way,
This
she
is
got
spicy
spicy
lemon.
Sprite too.
You
Spicy
never told
Sprite.
me. Why does it taste spicy?
It is. You don't taste it because you already have spice.
Well, there's two. There's two.
Oh, it's spicy. It's
This,
right.
this,
Look.
wait, guys,
Lemon,
this one's
lime.
not spicy. This one's not spicy, and this one's is spicy.
Spice. Lemon, spice.
You guys.
Wait, this one is the not spicy, and this one is the spicy.
We have no more sweet.
We finished.
All these four.
We only have this left. This green hot Cheetos.
What happened?
Don't worry about that, guys.
What happened?
Okay.
I think we should go downstairs and get some more spicy habanero, lemon ginger, wasabi, and sriracha. So that's all we're doing. Me and Mom are gonna go. Are you gonna come if we go? Yeah.
I should cartoon with you.
Shia, come here.
No, she
This is Spicy Baby.
And that's Spicy Princess. This is little cutie. She
can have a spice. Look at this.
She can have talkie and spicy.
Shia, you're so good, right? Oh, she just ate it, and she's doing it like a king. Oh, she's crying from it. She's crying from it.
For this box,
Okay,
She's crying from it.
Oh, comment down below who looks more like. I think us two look more like. He's my brother. He doesn't look any alike to me, and she's my cousin. They don't look. Both of them. We're the Spice cousins. We always eat Spice for some reason. I'm the queen, king, princess. What happened? They're fighting over you.
They are so jealous together. Okay, this is yours.
Bye-bye, guys. We're going to make another video.
We're gonna make another video.
Bye.